Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. So let's continue our series of solving the DSA problems by the Lumber sheet. So our next problem is cadence halvo. But if you remember, we have already solved them here. Largest sum contiguous subarray. It's the same problem, same link. Okay. I think he has put it in here by mistake. So let's move on to the next problem, which says merge intervals. Let's see what does the problem say. The problem says given a collection of intervals, the task is to merge all of the overlapping intervals. The example is, let me write down the example there at the note section. Then I will explain you what we have to do. It says 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So our example is 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. It would be easier to show you what you have to do if I showed it on the graph. So this is the graph here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, ten. Okay. So the first interval, two, second interval, third interval, fourth interval. First interval starts from here, goes up till here. Second interval starts from 2, goes up to 4. Third interval starts from 8, goes up 6 from starts from 6 and goes up to 8. And similarly, fourth interval starts from 9 and goes up to 10. Now, if I say you that if you see the cumulative of this graph, can you say that we are using the intervals 1 to 4, 6 to 8, 9 to n? That is three intervals. But here are four intervals. So that means the range of what two intervals is overlapping. And if I'm not wrong, then two, second and first, the first and second intervals are overlapping. That is the two and some more elements lies in the range of 1 to 3. So the problem says us that remove such kind of overlapping intervals. Remove in the sense merge them. Like 1 to 3 plus 2 to 4 can also be taken as 1 to 4, no effect. Because it is using 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Union gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equals to 1 to 4. This is all you have to do. The brute force approach for this problem is even more complicated than the optimized problem. So let us see what is the optimized problem here. I say, let me write an example again. It says 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I say because it has not been mentioned in the question that these are the sorted. Like if you see, it is given to be sorted here, but this is not always the case for all the test cases. It is not be given that the intervals are sorted according to the first value. I say sort them out. Okay. You say how to sort them? I say use the STL. Make the pairs. Like the first pair is 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Then sort it. Now what? How does the sort in case of pair becomes? The sorting uses the first value to sort. So it will be sorted as by the use of 1, 2, 6, 9. And if somewhere it is like this 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 2. So then in that case it would use the second value. Okay, I think I am understood. I have made my statement clear. So I say put it into the pairs and sort. After that, what you have to do, take an answer array. Because if you can see, you have to return a vector of int. Alright. I say take an answer array of type vector of int and do one thing. Push it, push the first of the sorted array, push the first element into the array. So answer contains 1 comma 3. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now I comes here. Okay. See if the first element of the ith index lies in the range 1 and 3. If it does, then check if 4, if 4 is greater than the second element of the last element in the array, or it is smaller than that. What I mean to say, there are three cases possible in the case of overlapping. Okay, it can be like, suppose this is the first range. So the three cases that can be happen, because you are using a sorted arrays, it can be like this, it can be like this, equal, it can be smaller, or the fourth case is no overlapping. I say in the case of overlapping, you can observe that this, the first index of the ith element, is always lies in the given range. And for the upper limit, you what you have to use to determine the upper limit, you have to put it in. For that, you have to use the maximum of this or this, because in this case it would be like this. In this case, it would be like up to, going up till this. In this case, it would be going up till this. So it is like this. And in this case, it would be this. So what I'm doing is that left limit is the same, and right limit is the maximum of 2. Okay. If overlapping is happening, remove this element from the array and add the left comma right. In that case, you will obtain the answer. Let me try run it for you. Let me do a pseudo code for you. Okay. So it was a 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These are already sorted, so don't need to sort them. So let's construct our answer array. Answer array contains 1, 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to pop it out. Answer array becomes empty. Check if 2 comma 4. Now 2 lies in the range 1 comma 3 and 4 is greater than c. So our new range is 1 to 4. Push it back in. It would become 1 to 4. Now pop 1 to 4 out. Okay. Check if 6 lies in range 1 to 4. No, 6 does not lie in range 1 to 4. So pop 1 to 4 inside and 6 comma 8 also inside. So the array becomes 1 to 4, 6 to 8 both. Then pop 6 to 8 outside. So it again becomes 1 to 4. And check 9 to 10. 9 to 10 also 9 also does not lie in 6 to 8. So pop 6 to 8 and 9 to 10 also. So the final array becomes 1 to 4, 6 to 8, 9 to 10. Okay. So this is our answer. Let's check if it's matching the expected output. If you observe carefully, yes, 1 to 4, 6 to 8, 9 to 10. Let's code it down. I will explain you anything you need to know in the code. I think the code will make your doubts clear. I said that make a vector of pair that would make it easy to sort. Okay. For that you have to use this. Oh, also one thing. The property I mentioned to you in the cases of pair, that it sorts the first element, etc., etc. If you use the vector or sort property in the intervals, it will be same. The answer would be same. The sorting algorithm will work the same. So instead of making the pairs, I am just using a sort here. Intervals dot begin, intervals dot end. After that, what you have to do? Make an array for answers. Answer dot push back intervals 0, the first element of the intervals. Now for I equals to the remaining elements, so I will start from 1. I will go up till intervals dot size minus 1 and I plus plus. Okay. Now our condition starts int initial left is equals to, let me say that int n equals to intervals dot answer dot size, sorry, answer dot size. I would not have to mention again and again, no? Is equals to answers n minus 1 0. So similarly, initial right would be answer n minus 1 1, and int new left is interval I 0, int new right is intervals I 1. What was the condition? That if new left is lying in the range left to right, initial left to initial right, that would be written as is greater than initial left, and new left is less than equals to initial right. Now this condition is not being used because we have already sorted, so this condition is always hold, okay, but I've written it for your betterment, your understanding. Then what you have to do, ans dot pop back, remove the existing interval from the answer array, and ans dot push back initial left with max of initial right and new right as discussed. Okay. After that, things are clear. Just return the answer array. I hope it works. Let's try to compile and run it. No, it is not working. Oh, I just in case I've not written the, what if the condition fails? Then nothing, answer dot pushback intervals I, because if there is no overlapping, we can just put the ith element in the answer array. Let's try to compile and run it. I think it will work now. I have not missed any point. Yeah, it is working for compile and run. Hopefully it will work for submit also. Yeah, all the test cases have been passed. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, your comments would be valuable. See you in the next video while we solve the next problem. Keep struggling, keep hustling, and crack a good placement. Thank you.